Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to mute or unmute the microphone using your Earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro. So firstly, you need to open Backbeat application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, and then you will see the same menu. Then you need to go to the settings at the right top. And right here we have a smart sensor. Tap at this line and make sure that you select mute call mic. After that, when you speak with somebody, you can remove both your earbuds and your microphone will automatically mute. To unmute it, just put your earbuds back to your ears. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!